been the longest time since I've done a voiceover, but I'm just going to go for it this time, just because I filmed this on a Sunday, so I was just kind of relaxing with my family. So for moisturiser and eye cream, I took my Day Wear from Estee Lauder, and then for foundation I took my MAC foundation and my Armani foundation mixed together. This makes the most beautiful combination that I've tried in a really long time. Quick little coffee break. I absolutely love my Nespresso machine. I cannot get enough of it. And then for concealer, I used the what did I use for concealer? It was in the colour Snow by Too Faced. That's it, the Born This Way concealer. I love this concealer. It always stays so flawless on my skin. And then for contour, as always, is the LA Pro Girl concealers. This is in the colour Beautiful Bronze. I used to use the colour Toast, but it's a little bit too ashy. But yeah, you definitely need to get yourself one of these. So you can get them on Beauty Bay, and they're like £5. They're super, super cheap, but you have to work with them fast. For powder, of course, it's my Nu Skin powder. I just do my under eyes first and kind of get out any wrinkles or any creases, because I get quite creasy under eyes, which is super, super annoying. And then I just take a bigger brush, I don't know where this is from, and I just pat it in everywhere else that I haven't put the contour. And then on top of the contour shade, I took the LMD Master Palette and I just used the contour shade that was in there. And then I think I used the blush that was in there too, which I'm pretty sure is called Peachy, and it is definitely the perfect peachy colour. I really, really like this palette. And then for underneath my contour, I took the NARS, just the translucent powder. I really don't reach for this that often. I usually use my Nu Skin one, but actually when I blended it out, it looked really beautiful and it wasn't as harsh as I usually go. So it was quite nice as we were doing a soft springtime glam. And then I just set my face with my Nu Skin powder, my Nu Skin spray. This stuff is amazing. And then for highlight, I actually used the fake Charlotte Tilbury palette that I got from Aldi. It's like it's not gold and it's not pink, but it's having a little sing along. It's the perfect in between shade. So I really, really like that. So I just put it all in my highlighted places, down my nose, tip of my nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, the eye, basically my whole entire face. And then for eyeshadow, I'm using the Nu Skin Mocha palette. These are all shimmers, but they are so beautiful. So I just take the second shade and then I put it all over my eye. I just use a big fluffy brush and then I use a smaller brush, and then I'm pretty sure, so I just take the third colour. I'm pretty sure I just then do eyeliner. So 3 brushes, guys, to do an eyeshadow look is incredible. So I'm taking the third colour just to deepen up the outer corner, and then I take the darkest shade and just do some liner. I actually wet my brush with the spray and then put the liner on, so it kind of comes out a little bit more dark, like a little more of a dark shade, and a little bit more like liner. But I really, really like this. And this is the makeup that you will pretty much see me in every day, except I would be using a full face of Nu Skin products because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with having a good skincare routine. So then I'm obsessed with using like really, really great products daily. So then underneath my eye, I took the LMD palette. I don't know what I was listening to, but we were having such a good time, such a nice Sunday morning. I took the LMD palette and I took the pink shade in there. I can't remember what it was called, but it's just in the top right hand corner, and it is really, really pretty under the eye. And then just put my Nu Skin mascara and then some of that highlighter again from Aldi. And then for lips, I took the Soar lip liner by MAC. I haven't used this in a really, really long time. It was just kind of in my collection of lip liners for my kit, and I took it out and I actually really liked it. And then I used Velvet Teddy as the lipstick. It's kind of a pinky shade, especially over Soar lip liner. And then I took my Nu Skin Smile Pop lip gloss. This makes your teeth look so much whiter because it's got these little particles in, these reflecting particles. So I absolutely love that. But this is pretty much the look all finished. Sort out my hair. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I used my hot roller brush from Babyliss. If you haven't got one of those, they are amazing. And now I'm going to hit you with some awkward poses. But I really, really hope that you liked the video. It was a really nice look to film. I actually really enjoyed wearing this on that day. It was quite warm and it was just looked really good in the sunlight. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you all in the next one.